Introducing the newly redesigned Galeon 500 Fly, a masterpiece of innovation and luxury. Revolutionizing the market with solutions previously seen only on high-end custom-designed super yachts, the Galeon 500 Fly has garnered widespread acclaim. Named the European Powerboat of the Year and recipient of many other accolades, the Galeon 500 Fly set a new global benchmark in the 50-foot yacht class. Featuring a host of new enhancements, the latest generation Galeon 500 Fly is more stunning than ever. Customizable with two distinct aft configurations to choose from, the 500 Fly offers flexibility to suit a variety of yachting lifestyles. Whether you prefer a classic L-shaped sofa with a storage, crew cabin setup, or the innovative rotating seat option, the Galeon 500 Fly has you covered. And best of all, no matter which configuration you choose, you can take full advantage of the unique beach mode option, extending the width of the cockpit and opening the salon and galley for ultimate entertainment and enjoyment. Step inside, and you'll find a world of luxury and comfort. The helm of the 500 Fly has been updated to a glass cockpit with the latest technology and design. Below deck, it's 3 cabins and 2 heads of weight, offering comfortable accommodations for up to 6 guests. The master cabin, located midship, features a queen-size bed, large wardrobe, and private bathroom for your utmost comfort and privacy. Offer your guests the bow VIP cabin for spectacular night views and comfort, thanks to a series of skylights and luxury amenities. A redesigned forward head allows maximum space and functionality for all guests on board. The double cabin to starboard provides comfortable accommodation for your guests, or it can be used for additional storage, providing you the versatility to suit your needs. The bow features a transformable seating arrangement, quickly converting into a proper sun deck for lounging and comfort. Take command of the spacious Flybridge. Unmatched visibility make it ideal for both control and relaxation. The unmistakable lines of the 500 Fly represent the latest in yacht design, while maintaining the style and attitude that broke the mold in the industry. Experience ultimate luxury, innovation, and performance with the redesigned 500 Fly from Galeon Yachts. Learn more at galeonyachts.us.